Hi, my name is Million Kambuli Jr. This is Wisteria Learning, bringing mathematics just on your fingertips by creating a classroom situation in the comfort of your homes. In our today's broadcast, we are going to solve exam possible questions on matrices. Exam possible questions on matrices. Question 1. Given that matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 1, 0, find number 1, find the determinant of A. Then number 2, find the inverse of matrix A. Okay, so solution. Number 1, we are finding the determinant of matrix A. So to find the determinant of a matrix, you subtract the product of the numbers in the minor diagonal from the product of the numbers in the major diagonal. Okay, so I will say det A, or determinant of A, is equal to, we'll multiply numbers in the major diagonal. So this is the major diagonal, 2 and 0. So we'll say 2 times 0 minus, we'll multiply the numbers in the minor diagonal, which is 1 and 4. So 4 times 1, which is equal to 2 times 0, it's 0, minus 4 times 1, that's 4. And 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Okay, so therefore, the determinant of A is negative 4. Okay, the determinant of A is negative 4. Let us now find the inverse of A. So the inverse of A, symbolically, you can write it like that. The inverse of A is equal to 1 over the determinant. Remember, we found our determinant as negative 4. So we'll put our determinant there, negative 4. Then open square bracket. And then the numbers, so let's come back to our matrix. We come back to this matrix. So the numbers in the major diagonal, which is 2 and 0, they swap. Okay, so 0 will go where 2 is, and 2 will go where 0 is. So you have 0 there, then the 2 there. Then these numbers in the minor diagonal, which is 4 and 1, they interchange signs. So since all of them, they are positive, all of them, they become negative. So if one of them was positive and the other one negative, the positive one was going to become negative, and then the negative one was going to become positive. Okay, so in this case, both of them will have a negative sign. So you have that. Okay. When a number is outside the brackets, you multiply that number with everything in the brackets. So in this case, we multiply 1 over negative 4 with everything in the brackets. Okay. So 1 over negative 4 times 0 will give us 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it's 0. Then 1 over negative 4 times negative 4 will give us negative 4 over negative 4. 1 over negative 4, or 1 over negative 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 1 over negative 4. Then 1 over negative 4 times 2 will give us 2 over negative 4. So we have 0, negative 4 into negative 4, that's positive 1. And then negative and negative goes, we remain with 1 over 4. And then what number can go into 2 and negative 4? 2 into 2, that's 1 over 2 into negative 4, that's negative 2. So that is our inverse. Okay, so let us also look at another possible question on matrices. This one, of course, is straightforward. So let's look at another possible question on matrices.